lecture of economics chapter Money and Credit. In my last lecture, I had taught you about the difficulties in the barter system, difficulties faced in the commodity money, and difficulties faced with the currencies. Now we will explain about the functions of money. So the first function is medium of exchange. Second is measure of value. Third is store of value. Fourth one is standard of deferred payment, that is credit transactions, payment which can be made as a later date. And the fifth one is means of transfer of value. That means the money serves as a convenient medium of transferring the value. So let us discuss the first function, that is medium of exchange. Since money it is used as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. In India, the RBI issues currencies and notes on behalf of the central government, and as per Indian law, no other individual is allowed to issue currency, and no one also can legally refuse to make payment in rupees. So now let us understand what is the other way of how people hold money. Yes, the answer is they hold as deposits with the banks. Then a question may arise in your mind that why people deposit money in bank and how do they deposit? Well, we will find the answer to the question. People deposit money in a bank because it is the most safe way to keep the entire cash or extra cash. Second is they earn money which the bank give a pay as an interest for the money deposited. And the answer to my second question is how do they deposit? It's very simple, children. They can deposit by opening an account in their name. People also have the provision to withdraw the money when and what time they require. And since the deposit in the bank account can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called as demand deposits. So now you might have also come across the word check. What is check? It is also another mode of payment. So to define it, we can say check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name the check has been made. So we have now understood demand deposits and the check. They shares the essential features of money, and the facility of check against the demand deposit makes it possible to directly settle the payments without the use of cash. So now let us understand what are the features of check. First, it is payable on demand. Second, it is an unconditional order. Third, it can be drawn in a bank. And fourth, certain sum of money amount is required written in a check. And fourth, the signature of the drawer is required. So now let us understand what are the different types of check. That is, there are different types of check, that is bearer check, order check, cross check, traveler's check, post dated checks, and gift check. To find the details, you can just Google it about the different types of checks. In my next lecture, we will read about the loan activities of a bank. Hope the chapter was clear to you, the lecture was clear to you all. Read the NCERT books for details. Thank you.